created the Plants Club for hassle-free gardening and easy solutions for urban gardeners, for people who want to be closer to nature, but they do not know what to start with. They're confused with the variety of plants, and so we bring it all together. You go on the website, browse through the collection, pick up the one of your choice, then within 3-5 working days you get it directly to your door. You can enjoy it for as long as you want, or subscribe and get top-ups every 3 or 6 months and get new plants carefully selected and arranged for your new collection. Even if you have zero experience in gardening, it's a perfect solution for you because you get very straightforward, easy to follow instructions. Some of them are perennials. That means they will last for more than 3 months and sometimes more than a year. And every 3 months or every 6 months you get plant top-ups when you can take out the old plants and put up the new ones. But some of the plants, again, then they remain in your planter. They have a very good drainage system, so your plants will never be overwatered. Some of the planters come with built-in tray. All you have to do just to water your plants regularly and not let the soil dry out. All our containers are made of recycled plastic of various source, including plastic bottles and tires, and the manufacturing plant uses 100% windmill energy. Plants Club is about enjoying the nature. Watching plants and watching nature is really good for your health and for your mental health. Each container will basically attract pollinators, so join the club.